Welcome, everyone, to this exhilarating video. Get ready to embark on an unforgettable journey of knowledge, inspiration, and entertainment. Together, let's dive deep, challenge boundaries, and unlock the door to endless possibilities. Let the adventure begin. What is LISP? LISP, which stands for List Processing, is a family of programming languages with a long history and a distinctive, fully parenthesized prefix notation. Originally specified in 1960, LISP is the second oldest high-level programming language still in common use, after Fortran. LISP has changed since its early days, and many dialects have existed over its history. Today, the best-known general-purpose Lisp dialects are Common Lisp, Scheme, Racket, and Clojure. What makes Lisp special? There are a few things that make Lisp special. First, Lisp is a functional programming language. This means that programs in Lisp are written in terms of functions, which are mathematical expressions that take inputs and produce outputs. Functional programming is a powerful paradigm that can lead to very concise and elegant code. Second, Lisp is very expressive. This means that it is possible to express complex ideas in a very concise way in Lisp. This is due to the fact that Lisp uses a very simple syntax and that it allows for recursion, which is a powerful way to express repetition. Third, Lisp is very extensible. This means that it is easy to add new features to Lisp. This is because Lisp programs are written in terms of functions, and it is easy to define new functions. Why is Lisp difficult to learn? There are a few reasons why Lisp can be difficult to learn. First, Lisp has a very abstract syntax. This means that the syntax of Lisp programs is not very intuitive. For example, in Lisp, the expression +1 2 means add 1 and 2, but this is not immediately obvious to someone who is not familiar with Lisp. Second, Lisp is a very recursive language. This means that Lisp programs often use recursion to solve problems. Recursion can be a powerful tool, but it can also be difficult to understand and use. Third, Lisp is not very widely used. This means that there are not as many resources available for learning Lisp as there are for other languages. Who uses Lisp? Lisp is used by a variety of people, including AI researchers. Lisp was one of the first languages used for AI research, and it is still used by many AI researchers today. Systems programmers. Lisp is used by some systems programmers, especially those who work on operating systems or compilers. Web developers. Some web developers use Lisp to build web applications. Hackers. Lisp is a popular language among hackers, who use it to create exploits and other malicious software. Is Lisp worth learning? Whether or not Lisp is worth learning depends on your individual needs and goals. If you are interested in AI research or systems programming, then Lisp is a good language to learn. However, if you are just interested in web development, then there are other languages that are easier to learn and use. Conclusion. Lisp has had a significant impact on the evolution of programming languages and software development practices. Many modern programming languages, such as Python, Ruby, and JavaScript, have been influenced by Lisp's ideas and concepts. Lisp's emphasis on expressive syntax, functional programming, and metaprogramming has shaped the way we think about and approach programming problems. Lisp is a family of programming languages known for their simplicity, expressive power, and metaprogramming capabilities. Lisp introduced several fundamental concepts that have influenced the development of programming languages and software development practices. Despite its age, Lisp continues to be used and appreciated by a dedicated community of programmers who value its unique features and expressive nature. Lisp is a powerful and expressive language, but it can also be difficult to learn. If you are interested in learning Lisp, I recommend that you start with a good tutorial or book. There are also many online resources available that can help you learn Lisp.